how to buy product on Amazon with PayPal. Amazon does not accept PayPal directly, but here's how you can still shop using your PayPal balance. So step 1, buy an Amazon gift card using PayPal. Use trusted sites like PayPal Digital Gifts, Gift, or eGifter. Step 2, redeem the gift card in your Amazon account. Click on account and list. So make sure you are signed into your account. And then from here, go ahead and look for the redeem option to redeem your gift card. And then go to the gift card balance and enter the code. Now shop on Amazon. At checkout, your gift card balance will be used as method. Alternatively, request a PayPal cash card, link it to your PayPal balance, then add it on Amazon as a debit card. While Amazon does not take PayPal directly, you can still shop easily using gift cards or PayPal cash card.